Hello and welcome to this video from Berthon of the 2021 Marex 310 Sun Cruiser full weight. Full weight was delivered by Berthon to a current owner in September 2021. She's berthed in Calanova, Mallorca and has been lightly used. The Marex 310 Sun Cruiser is a highly respected sports cruiser and has won a host of awards including Motorboat of the Year, European Powerboat of the Year and the German Design Award. The notable specification of this boat includes full teak decks and the 4-deck sun pad, which can be seen in the video. The open bow design of the Marex 310 makes her perfect for med mooring, but she can also be moored stern to depending on the height of the marina. There are wide, safe side decks on both sides of the boat which are not asymmetric like on some competitors. There are plenty of handholds which make moving around the boat feel very safe. There is also an electric windlass with control via remote or from the chain canes panel at the main helm position. The cockpit can be fully opened up with the fore and aft extended sunroofs. Full weight has also been fitted with solar panels which keep the batteries automatically topped up at anchor. The bathing platform on the Marex 310 includes 2 bench seats which are the perfect place to relax close to the water and offer notable integral storage. The large cockpit features a vast amount of social space. There is a quality table which folds out. There is storage under the bench seats both to port and starboard, and the table also drops down with a cushion to make an infill sun pad. The helm position is finished in Nextel anti-glare paint and features both a double helm and co-pilot bench seat, and an additional co-pilot seat positioned to port. There are bolsters to both. There are plenty of handholds throughout the boat, which again adds to the feeling of further security when underway. Full weight has recently been fitted with an autopilot. She has a chain counter, Fusion stereo, Raymarine 12 Pro RVX plotter, engine computers and rev counters. You also have the twin throttle controls for the 2x Volvo D3-220 diesel engines. There is an opening side window positioned to starboard and space for loose storage and charts forward of the helm position. The large opening companionway hatch really keeps the galley properly connected to the cockpit and has been upgraded with a pull-out fridge freezer drawer and top stowing drinks fridge. You also have a double sink, gas stove, and really considerable amounts of storage. The forward cabin features a large double berth, large panoramic windows and deck head hatch with blind. There is also independent controls for the air conditioning in both cabins. There is also notable storage below the double berth. The aft cabin also features independent air conditioning, and there is plenty of space to change with full standing headroom. The large double berth runs below the cockpit and is full beam, with large windows. The heads compartment is very generous for a 31-foot boat, with full standing headroom and shower. There is also an electric heads, plenty of vanity locker space, and a large window. The aft cockpit has been designed with a super fast canopy system which very quickly can be deployed and pulled into position on rails. The fore and aft sunroofs can also be very quickly opened and closed.